Hey guys, welcome back to Pennis Data Diaries. Today I want to talk about this interesting expression here, which you might see in projection matrices. So it is A transpose divided by A transpose A. Why doesn't this expression cancel out? That is the question, because you might assume that it does, just looking at the symbols over here, but it actually doesn't. So assuming that A is a vector, we get the following result. A transpose is actually the outer product which results in a matrix, whereas A transpose A is the inner product, or dot product in this case, which results in a scalar. So these are not the same, and you cannot just cancel them out. So I'm going through the details here. So how do we actually calculate the outer product? By default, A is assumed to be a column vector, whereas A transpose is then the row vector. And when we take the product of all of their components, we get something like this: A1, 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 A2, until A1, AN, and the second row, A2, A1, A2, A2, and so on to AN, just until AN, AN. We can also do this in SymPy. So let's define a sample vector over here, just 1, 2. And let me print it out. Just looks like this. So as mentioned, this is a column vector by default. And we can just use this function .t, which takes the transpose. And it's shown like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2. But one is a column, one is a row vector. And then when we calculate the outer product, we can just use the standard symbol like this. And you see, you will get a matrix as a result. So the outer product result is a matrix. And then the inner product, or dot product in this case, so how is this calculated? We just get, for the same sample vector, 1, 2, the inner product is just this here. So it's just A transpose A, which is just 1 squared plus 2 squared equals 5. So it's a scalar. And so also doing this with SymPy, you can just use the dot function. So it's A dot A, and it yields the same result, so it's 5. And when we then divide both of these, so we divide the matrix, which is the result of the outer product, by the inner product, which is the scalar, we get as a result another matrix. So this is the final result. So in summary, the division of the outer product by the inner product results in another matrix. That's all I want to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.